So right now we are approaching the New York Open. We are having British pound GBP card. On a GBP card, we see that the price has been trending high. We are at a bullish trend. So let's see what is happening here. So price came, it has been breaking structure to the upward. So as you can see, structure to the upward. Then we took out this low was taken out. This low was taken out. So we came to the bullish trend. We started a short-term bullish trend. Then we had a retracement here. So we are clearly we are at a bullish trend here. So because we broke this structure you're seeing here, we broke this low here. When you go to the lower time frame, you find that we have broken this low, or it was just we broke it, we closed it. So on the daily time frame, we find that the British pound versus Canadian dollar, we are now at a bearish trend, as you can see here. We've just broken that structure. So this is our trading range. We got this low, we got this high, and this low. This has been our trading range right here. So let's approach to the 4-hour minute time frame. So the trend here is bearish, as you can see. On our 4-hour, we broke down, but then we did a retracement. We find that we've just taken this we just took, after taking this low, so this low was taken, price went up and broke this structure. So meaning that we have been in the bullish trend, and this is the low that caused the break of structure to the upward. And so now this low here, that low came and took the after taking this low, the external range liquidity. So price now came after taking this low, the external range liquidity, price now was hunting for the external range liquidity, which we've been taking, as you can see here. So we have external range liquidity. We've taken this. We had relative equal lows here being taken, and we traded into this fair value gap, and now price has just reached our order block, the 4-hour minute order block, as you can see here. We just tapped into the order block, and after taking these external range liquidities here, so we are now taking the external range liquidity. uh, our can see our the imbalance was filled. Now we're inside this 4 hour minute time frame. Now we're expecting that when we reach this P or I, the point of interest or the area of interest, where it's now this other block which we are having right now. Now we want to see that we can go now to our lower time frame and lower time frame. In this our lower time frame, we anticipate for price to change direction. So breaking high, highs and lows. So here we are going to look for a change of character inside this for our point of interest. We're now going to look for a change of character. But before that, we are also going for our New York Open. So we have our L13 here. Let's first take out some of these lines like these ones to make our chart look clean. So let's mark our midnight open. And then the 8:30. So price will have been having the London session. Now we're going into our New York session. So inside the New York session, when we get something like this, change of character, we shall be looking for sales. You want to see something like this. We target this low here. So we want to see our change of character. Then we shall get our point of interest somewhere. There'll be something like an order block or a fair value gap, and that's where we're gonna take our trade. Then we target the opposing liquidity, which is going to be the Asia law. Might be the Asia law here. So we're looking at something to do is 1:9, but we can take 1:7 is okay, but we can target this opposing liquidity. So let's see what is gonna happen. And also we can check our midnight open candle here. If we have our midnight open, we mark midnight open. Then we are going to wait also to mark the 8:30 open. If at all we have this candle at the 8 o'clock or open somewhere here, and then we close above that candle, we shall look for the sell. So that is it. Small analysis. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. So right now we had our GBPCAD. We're now into profits as we had did our analysis. This is GBPCAD. So price was able to reach our point of interest. As you can see here, reach this 4-hour order block. So when we reached that 4-hour order block, we went straight to 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, we're looking for change of character. So price came in. Area of interest. So this was our area of interest. We reached there. Then we had breakout structure to the downward. But this breakout structure did not create the order block. Instead, we created what we call a breaker block. So this is our breaker. So as you can see, I had to wait for the price to come back. I had to wait for the price to come back after breaking. I had to wait for the price to come back to my breaker, and then I sell. So I'm expecting price to take out this Asian range liquidity. So we are already in profits. We are looking at making 75 pips, as you can see. Right now, I think we have made around 35 pips already, as you can see here on the screen. So our analysis was great, and thank you for listening. If you want to see more videos like this one, how I do my live trades and how I analyze my trades, you can follow me here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Sign out.